Okay, so we're about to install a new light fixture. I have my old one uninstalled already. The switch is off, so we don't have to worry about getting shocked. This is how it comes out of the box. You're gonna have this, you have the mount, and you're gonna mount this to the wall, and it's gonna go on there just like this, and there's a screw that goes on the top and the bottom. So pretty simple there. And this is the hardware it comes with. It's gonna come with some wire nuts and some washers and some sheetrock anchors. I'm using my own sheetrock anchors though, I like mine better. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera up there. You can watch me install it. Something I wanted to note on here, you can see the wires are actually backwards. You see this one's the live wire, that's what L stands for, and this one's the neutral wire, so keep that in mind. Alright, it's installed, let's try it out. Works like a charm, looks beautiful. Alright guys, so that's the install. As you can see, it went in just fine, it looks great. It's a lot more modern looking, a lot more fancy looking than my other one. It was just kind of run of the mill before. So that's how it looks now. I'm happy with it. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.